Hey everyone, Hyla from H. Cooper Crafty Bug and Crafty Bug's Homecoming Mom Beehive. And speaking for Connie at the Southern Cottage as well. You guys have been asking us for so long if we would do an in-person class somewhere, specifically in the Houston area. And so we are now doing that. We are taking limited spots, because limited space. But we are doing that on July the 25th. It's a Saturday in Hempstead, Texas. So if you are available, please sign up. We have the link posted all over Facebook. I've been posting about it on YouTube and TikTok and everywhere else that I can, and everywhere that allows the link. So if you can't find the link, just message us or email us and we can send it to you. You do need to be signed up and paid by the Saturday before, Saturday by midnight. So we're going to have a cutout class in the morning. Of course, I'm going to be doing that because we know Connie does not want to do the cutouts. But if you want to learn how to make nice cutouts, I am by no means an expert or queen of cutouts, but I've been making cutouts for years, and I feel like every year I grow and I learn, and they just get better and better. So I think I've got a lot to give in that part of the mom community. I do have a couple of free gifts for everybody that will be there for the cutout class. And then in the afternoon, we're going to be doing braids. And Connie, of course, is going to lead the braiding classes. I will be there to help, to assist where I can. So if you want to learn how to make beautiful homecoming mom braids, we can teach you how to do that. And yeah, it's going to be a great day. Lunch will be provided as well. Of course, that's going to be Connie's catered lunch. We're going to have a good Connie lunch. And so that's exciting too. So you can buy just the cutout class in the morning, or the braiding class in the afternoon, or you can do the all day. The all day, you save a little bit of money, but the lunch comes with any class you take. So you pay for your class, whether it's the morning, afternoon, or all day, you're going to get lunch provided as well. We hope that you guys will join us. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is our first time doing a class, in-person class together. That's not with camp. So this will be a new experience for us. Hopefully TJ can come join us for at least a little while. That's up in the air. But let's give her a shout out. She's been helping us behind the scenes. So even if she's not able to make it, please give her a thank you too, for she's really been a big, huge help behind the scenes. We couldn't do anything without her. If you want to do cutouts, I'm going to go over as much as I can. And we are making these classes from beginners to advanced. We're going to start out. Sorry, knocked my microphone off. So we're going to start out beginner friendly and then move on to more advanced. So we're just going to keep getting more advanced. So it's for everybody. We wanted to make it friendly for everybody. So beginner friendly, advanced friendly, but we hope that you will join us, and I think it'll be a great day and lots of learning. So I hope you can join us. Thank you. Bye. Happy mom making, happy crafting.